Hi everyone to all of you. I have a fantastic card trick to show you. The twisting card trick. The twisting card trick is something I think you know may be familiar with because I added a few of my own ideas that card trick and I will show you too right now. And my English is not very good. I know a little English. I hope you understand and let's get started the performance. Alright guys, so this is the performance and everyone use 4 aces for this card trick, but I use 4 queens. Okay, and because I like these queens and I love these queens. Alright, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 queens. I am taking this, so watch these queens, be carefully. 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 queens. So one of the queen is face down and 3 queens is face up. All right, so what's happening here? So right now you can see here little bit shake and just twist and snap, and 1 2 3 4, all 4 queens is face down. All right, so one more time, just shake and twist and snap, and 1 2 3 4, so one of the queen is face up. All right, so one more time, just twist and snap, so 1 2 3 4, so 2 cards and I mean 2 queens face up. All right, so one more time, it should shake and just twist and snap, so 1 2 3 4, so 3 queens face up and one of the queen face down. All right, you can see here, so one queen is face down. All right, so this queen is differently. All right, so this queen is differently face up, so you can see here. So and grab this deck, so right now, and 1 2 3, so 3 queens, and so one more time, so watch this carefully. 1 2 3 and 4, so one of the queen of diamond is face up. 4 queens, and one more time and differently twisting, and you can see here, and all 4 cards, and 1 2 3 4, so 4 cards you can see here, so it's in, so right, 1 2 3 4, so 4 cards and 4 different places. All right, so 4 different places, so you can see here, so 4 different places, and just imagine, so 4 cards is face down by deck of cards, but instantly 1 2 3, so it's an all 4 cards is face up. So this is the card trick, and bye.